Everyone, my name is Teacher Ilona Smith. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving in and we're looking at proper nouns and common nouns. Let's get into it. All right, proper nouns and common nouns. So here is a list of common nouns and here is a list of proper nouns. So common nouns, these are like your general names of things. So boy, city, dog, and book. Then we have proper nouns that are specific names. All right. So when we're looking at a boy, what could that boy be called? He could be called Sipho. That's a proper noun. A city could be Cape Town. A dog, Scooby Doo. A book, Harry Potter. Now, important to notice, did you see that all of them start with a capital letter? That is the important part. They all start with a capital letter. So here you can see, so we can talk about a boy and his name could be Sipho, it could be Joseph, it could be whatever, but a boy is the general name for it. But then when we go more specific into the naming of it, his name is Sipho, making that a proper noun. Here's another list of common nouns and proper nouns. So you can have a teacher. My name is Ilona Smith. Okay, teacher is the common noun. What is my name? Ilona Smith is the proper noun, capital letters. We can have a mountain. What mountain? Table Mountain. A shop. What shop? ShopRite. Now let's look at an activity. So we need to underline the nouns in the sentence, and we need to also say, are they common nouns or are they proper nouns? So we're going to do this activity together. All right, time to get my writing tools out. All right, so the first sentence says, Tandy plays soccer with her friends in Soweto. All right, so remember, we've now just mentioned someone, okay? But that someone is who? It is Tandy. Okay, and this, you can see there's a capital letter. So this is going to be a proper noun. She plays soccer. Soccer is also a noun. But this is a common noun, small letter. Her friends are people. Have we named them? No, common noun. Soweto is a place, capital letter. So this is going to be a proper noun. My dog Max loves to run in the park. Okay, my dog is a noun. Okay, but have we named him as yet? No, we've just said my dog, so that's a common noun. Now we are naming him, and it says Max, making this a proper noun. He loves to run in the park. Park is a place. Have we named the name of the park? No, so it remains a common noun. Nelson Mandela was a great leader. Nelson Mandela is a person. So it is a proper noun. And then a leader is also a person, and this is a common noun. The teacher gave us a new book. The teacher, like we've mentioned, is a common noun. Have we given a name for her? No, not in this example. And a book is going to be also our common noun. Do you see that sentence has two common nouns? Because we didn't give a name for the teacher, but we also didn't name the book. Then Cape Town is a busy city. Cape Town is a proper noun because we've named the city. And then the city is going to be a common noun. So do you see there in just this example, we have picked apart which ones are common nouns and which ones are proper nouns. Then here I've just put it into writing for all the answers so we can see Tandy, proper noun, soccer, common noun. But we've been through all of these in the example. You can just stop here if you want to just look through these as well, and then just to jot it down and write it in your book. Then we're going to have activity 2. Okay, sort the following words into common nouns and proper nouns. I would like you to pause the video at this stage and do this on your own. See if you can pick out. How many do we have here? We have 8 here. So this is going to be a possible 8 marks. So Pause the video, write them down, and let's mark together and see how many you got correct. Okay, Table Mountain, we've done this one. We have named it, so it is a proper noun. A school doesn't have a name, common noun. A pencil, if it's a branded pencil, it would be a proper noun, but in this case, it's just a pencil, it's a common noun. Johannesburg, and notice capital letters. Capital letters. This is a proper noun because it's the name of a place. Teacher doesn't have a name, common noun. Pick and pay is where we go buy our groceries, proper noun. A cat, haven't given it a name, it is a common noun. Sipho, you can see here, capital letter, it is a proper noun. Let's put this into table form. And there you have, I've written all the common nouns and all the proper nouns down. And now it's the time that you reveal how much you got out of 8. Please jot it down in the comments below. Then we have activity 3. Write 5 sentences. Each sentence must include 1 common noun and 1 proper noun. Underline the common noun and then we're going to circle the proper noun. I have given you 5 sentences here to start you off and to prepare you when you're writing your 5 sentences. Let's go through that example. All right, so here we have our 5 sentences. The cat slept on Luna's bed. Okay, now we're going to highlight and circle. Okay, the cat is going to be our common noun. We are underlining it. Okay, Luna is going to be our proper noun, and we are going to circle that. And then a bed is also a common noun. The park, small letters, haven't named it yet, common noun. Near Rosebank Mall, there you go, circling, is very popular on the weekends. The baker, common noun. At Mamma Mia's bakery, proper noun, circling, makes delicious bread. The car, common noun, broke down on the way to Pretoria, proper noun. The student in Emma, we've named it now, Emma's class won the spelling competition. Okay, here is all of them written out and I've given all of them there. You can see which one's a common noun and which one is a proper noun, but we've been through it, we were highlighting and circling. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I really hope you enjoyed it and I promise you guys I'm going to be posting more videos for English. So let me know what you're looking forward to, what are you struggling with English, and I am there to assist and to help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button. Please consider subscribing to my channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.